In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check liked posts on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find every post you've reacted to, so you can revisit, unlike, or engage further with just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Using Google is a simple way to get to the right place without typing the full address. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. Look for the official LinkedIn website in the results and click it to open the homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you land on your LinkedIn feed. Once your feed loads, look at the top navigation bar. On the right side, you'll see your profile photo with a label that says Me. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu, choose View Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page where all your recent activity is organized. On your profile, scroll until you find the Activity section. This area highlights what you've been doing on LinkedIn, your posts, comments, and reactions. If only a few items are visible, don't worry. We're about to open the full view. Click Show All Posts. This brings up your Activity Hub, where you can filter exactly what you want to see. At the top of the activity page, look for the filters or tabs. Click Reactions. This filter gathers everything you've reacted to in one place. On LinkedIn, a like is a reaction, and so are celebrate, support, funny, love, insightful, and curious. Selecting reactions ensures you're seeing only the content you engaged with using those buttons. Now you'll see all the posts you've liked or otherwise reacted to, typically listed in reverse chronological order. From here you can click any post to open it, reread the content, or engage more deeply by commenting or sharing. If you change your mind about a reaction, open the post and toggle your reaction off. This view is especially useful when you want to re-find an article you liked, follow up on a discussion, or track content from creators you enjoy. A quick note. The labels and layout on LinkedIn can shift slightly over time, but the path remains the same. Go to your profile, open your activity, and select Reactions. These steps are similar on mobile too, though the buttons may be in menus rather than across the top. And that's it. You've just found a fast, reliable way to check all your liked posts on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching and happy networking.